I'm about to sit here and try to do my makeup, but I'm not really feeling it. You ever sit and do your makeup but you don't really be feeling it? That's me today. Oh, it actually might not even be working already because I went too high up on my brow. Does that brow look okay to you? Maybe it's okay. We'll see. It's Memorial Day. No, now that brow, she's showing out. Oh shoot, that's the best brow I did in a minute. I'm using this matte pot concealer. This one is the Video Finish Concealer and I have it in NC45. NC45 is like a great highlight shade for me. I remember one time I went to the MAC in Macy's and they color matched me. She color matched me to an NC45. Do you really think that that matched my skin? I was also like really beginning in makeup, so it's okay. So I didn't know. I just went by what she said. I was like, this must work. I was like, this must work if she says it works, but I think sis was wrong. I am doing a little bit of underpainting today because I see this online all the time and I'm like, I want to try that. I want to see if it really makes big of a difference, but I don't know. And I am aware that this contour color is really, really strong. I honestly should use a lot less. This is the Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer. I love this concealer. This one's in 65.5p. I like that this one has more of a red undertone. Oh God, I used way too much. I used more than I used yesterday. It's okay, that is what the blending is for. Go on top of this with a skin tint. This one is by NYX. It's in the color Warm Honey. I think this one might be too light because I ordered it offline. Should I use a sponge or should I use my brush? Let me use my brush first. I said a little bit. Why am I being so heavy-handed today? Did what I needed it to do. I'm being real careless today. I don't like that behavior, Kai. What are you doing? Here we go. My sponge. It's just a more precise blend for me. I want to be a brush galley, but I am not. But my skin, tell me my skin actually don't look good because it actually looks pretty good. Now my Koglamour concealer. This one's in medium 1.5. I'm gonna use this under my eyes. Actually about to go cook on the grill. Yes, me. I'm gonna go cook on the grill. And then I'm also going to go to the pool later with my bestie. So excited to go hang out with her a bit. I haven't seen her in a minute. It's so hard to hang out with your friends as adults. You just get so busy with everyday life. And then weekends come and you just want to chill at the house. And when I say you, I mean me. With the little leftover concealer. Next, we're gonna move on to some cream blush. Juvia's Place Peach Rose because the girls know if you use this. Oh, it's my first time using this one actually. This is really, really pigmented. Yeah, we're doing just that much. And then I'm gonna tap it in with this little fiber brush. Do you see that? You see how pigmented my cheek already looks. All I did was 2 little drops. Yeah, you are gonna have these blushes around for a long time if you just use them on yourself. It literally just distributed across my entire cheek, and if you want it to be a little bit more extra, you can add some more. I don't think I want more than what I have. I'm gonna go back on top with like a powder blush, and my go-to setting powder has been Banana Bread Huda Beauty. Love her. I'm obsessed with this goddamn powder. Are y'all gonna come for me because I'm not using a powder puff to put on my powder? Beauty blenders do just the same to me. Putting my powder on like this will always be bae. More. Come on out, baby. I was thinking that I was gonna add some eyeshadow, but I think I'm just going to set my lid like I just did and let it be for today. I haven't done like my eyelids like that in a minute. And this is just a little translucent powder from Koglamour. There's some really good products, by the way. If you haven't tried them, I suggest you should. Now I need some bronzer. Bronze me up, baby. I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth. This one is in 80 Sienna. This is not something I hear you girls talk about a lot in terms of bronzer, but sleep on it because it's a great bronzer. I love it. And y'all ain't gotta worry about it. Don't sell it out so I can keep buying it. Way too orange. This is pink. Let's do this one because it's pretty pink. I'm gonna just use this one because it's similar to what I have going on my cheek. We'll make sure. Very cute. Contours everything. And I like to look like I have a slimy nose. Bring that up into your brow bone so it fades nicely. So on the grill, because I didn't even tell you guys what I'm gonna put on the grill. I'm only putting chicken and steak. I bought some chicken wings. Love this stuff as well. If you guys haven't tried this Fenty powder, you should, because it's a really good, like, it's gonna be some pigment showing your powder needs some coverage. It's gonna do that for you. I'm doing keto, so going to do some cauliflower and broccoli on the grill. Not too much, because apparently broccoli has a little higher amount of carbs. It's low, but it's higher than other veggies. Going to make some fries, but the fries are going to be made out of almond flour, so I'm really excited to try that. I actually might think I make a video on those. I am like obsessed with french fries, but unfortunately they're super carby, so I can't have them as much as I would like to. And then I'm going to make a little salad as well. I'm not gonna eat a whole bunch of it because I know that sounds like a lot of food. I am gonna have a little bit of each. This is the Essence Brighten Up powder, and it's in 10 Baba Banana, and I use it so my under eye can look a little bit lighter. And yes, it goes on like really light and really white. So I just kind of keep pressing it in until it kind of dissolves into my skin, and we're good. How do we go from this to this? It looks a lot better, right? Then I'm just going to do mascara today and then do a lippy. So let me go put my mascara on, and then I'm gonna do my lips. This is L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara Intensify something. That one, and then a little bit of primer. Lashes have never in life looked this long. Do you see how long my eyelashes look? It's all because of this. It's all because of the primer. Promise you. It's just something about bottom mascara. It's gonna do it every time. We need a little bit of a situation with faux moles. Hopefully I don't overdo it. And that's good. We're gonna do the Sephora makeup setting spray. 12-hour hold, but I don't need to hold that long. Of course, we gotta fan ourselves. I know my eye is not trying to water, and it is. You got to be kidding me. Come on, face. And add a little lippy lip. I'm really trying to find my perfect everyday lip color, but I don't have one as of yet. Clean up the inside by doing my mouth light, just to make sure that any lip color I add actually shows up on my lips. Another thing, a lot of my lip stuff is old. I probably need to re-up on lip colors. Let's try this. This is the Milky Gloss by NYX in the color Cherry Skimmed. Maybe I can add something a little bit more nude on top. This is Maybelline Gloss in Amber, to see if it kind of diffuses it a little bit. I don't want to have really pinky lips. Yep, I like that so much better. I'm gonna take my hair loose. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts, girl. Anyways, let me go and find an outfit. Bye guys. Let me know what you think of the makeup.